Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. It is Tuesday Tips where I spill all the tea on photography. Let's get to it. Today we're going to be talking about setting the expectation. I was reading this fantastic article about a photographer. Bad business, really bad business. I thought this was like horrible, but I love reading these stories because they teach you some invaluable lessons. So basically this woman was very excited and she had a session with a photographer, and it was a boudoir session. And so she kept calling the photographer after, you know, like, where's my photos? Where's my photos? I'm so excited. I can't wait to see. And it was out of pure excitement. But the photographer got so upset that she wrote on her personal social media page some really horrible things about her client, and then posted a picture of the client, which was like humiliating, like big no, don't do that. So the client ended up suing the photographer for this whole ordeal. It was like this huge mess. Anyway, what I want to talk about is setting the expectations with your client. Recently, I just did a cake smash, and for example, in this cake smash, the baby was on a rocking chair, and rocking chairs are not safe. You don't want a baby to fall over and to hit his head on the floor. So I don't want that on my clock. So I always have dad kind of like, or mom, holding the rocking chair, and then one of the parents kind of making the baby laugh. Like, my camera's super fast. Like, I have pictures of babies crying that people think that the baby is like laughing hysterically. It's awesome. But that's the quickness of the trigger. But this is one of the things that I tell all of my clients right before they leave. Give me some time to work on the photos. I want to make these photos right. So, I mean, although I'm making this video for you as a photographer watching about setting the expectation, I am also going to be forwarding this over to clients as well. Like, I know you're excited, and I'm not going to get annoyed. The more you call me, the more I'm going to just feel excited for you. But be patient with your photos. They will be coming around. Not every photographer has the privilege of working in photography full time. I do, so I have a bit of a quicker turnaround time now these days, but not everyone does. So give your photographer some slack and just kind of be patient, and make sure that you get to know your photographer first. If your photographer is kind of temperamental, then maybe you want to not call that photographer, no matter how the skill set is. Don't harass them, just wait for it. But anyway, I just wanted to share that tip. Share the expectations, let them know about the behind the scenes work that is involved in getting this photography session in order, and it'll work out just fine. Here's the time lapse of this quick little video that I made about, you know, editing out dad's hand in the photo. Did try to get it under 2 minutes. It was hard, but you get the point. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and please share. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. Some good content in there.